Well, that I'm just going to have to return.
After most of Hayden's styling ideas fell flat,
I can take it back now.
Yeah, well...
Sara's returning all of it and taking charge.
Where's my bag?
Or so she thinks.
What happened to my keys?
She tends to misplace her phone a lot, so it hasn't surprised me that she's eventually misplaced the keys for the car. They must be in your bag, babe.
My bag is in the car. Are my keys here? Did my keys... I think I may have possibly put my keys down here. Have you guys not seen a set of car keys?
I think you wasted about 2 hours looking for those keys.
Just need to get in the car to see if my keys are in there. I don't understand how I can lose keys. Oh, mate.
Lucky for Sara,
G'day.
Oh, g'day.
Keith has a spare.
Yeah.
But we need this back.
OK. Let's just see if the keys are in the car.
Like this.
Oh, yeah, that's going to have to go back. Right.
Oh,
Stop!
jeez, what's going on in here?
This is all Hayden.
That was a tip.
But considering they'd mistaken their car for a bingo bin, it's no wonder they couldn't find the keys.
All right, let's have a look in the giant boot. The boot space in the Volkswagen is amazing. Everyone could see my bookshelf.
So, thanks to Keith's spare keys, Sara can finally drive off and redo all Hayden's style choices.